Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check Windows 10 genuine or not. Right-click this PC, Properties. Windows 10 is activated. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. slmgr.vbs /DLI. License status is licensed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.